The video I'm about to record now, I wouldn't want to record it regularly. There are a lot of people, several people who don't even want me to record this video right now. I am not under obligation to record it, but I'm seriously in a position where I feel it is time for someone to really come out right now and make this public exposure. I'm about to expose the affiliate marketing industry in Nigeria and in Africa. First of all, it is important that I say this to you all. I've actually played in the affiliate marketing industry for years now, so this is not like a newbie coming to make a review. If you go through my YouTube channel and across my social media platform, you will know I've been in this industry for a long time. I've sold affiliate offers in the international market, I've sold in the Nigerian market, and of course, I've even built products in the affiliate marketing industry myself. So this is a proof that I've really spent a lot of time and I've got deep down behind the scene to understand what happens in the top level of this industry. And whatever I'm about to tell you is what I've discovered myself. First of all, this is a public disclaimer. Everything I'll be saying in this video is just my opinion. It's just a conclusion or a conclusion from the analysis and stuff I've seen myself, experienced myself, and I've also done myself. So I'm going to say this publicly, and I hope everyone who needs to hear this will hear it. And I hope after watching this video, or even before you finish watching this video, you share it to everyone you know that have ever heard of affiliate marketing, because this is going to be so detailed and explain a lot of things that people don't know. First of all, I must say there are platforms and institutions that I will be talking about in this video, but I'm not going to call any of their names. I'm not going to reference anybody in this video. But if you're able to gather all of the facts and come up with a name for yourself, it's all left for you. That's your opinion as well. But in this video, I have one singular goal: to expose the hidden things in the affiliate marketing industry. First of all, what is affiliate marketing? For those who are just hearing for the very first time, affiliate marketing is a kind of marketing, a marketing system that allows people to sell products they don't own and get commission off it every time they make a sale for that product. That means that if I have a product, let's say a digital product, and it's $50, and you recommend someone to buy it, you get a commission off it, which could be 50%, 45%, or whatever percentage that I, the product owner, decide to set on it. And amazingly, anyone can literally start this business with a good knowledge of affiliate marketing, and of course with a device that will enable them to do this process. However, affiliate marketing is not subjective to online products and services alone. It could also work for physical products. It is adopted across different niches and sub-industries in the business world, right? So it's important for you to know this. But however, I'm more interested in this video to share this information with you on some of the hidden things that you don't know about affiliate marketing that I want to bring to the public notice. Sit back and take a chill pill. First of all, it's good to introduce myself again. My name is Joshua, and I'm an active internet marketer. I've spent the past years of my life building different businesses on the internet, and I've delved into affiliate marketing as one of the businesses I've done myself. And in this video, I want to show you the dark parts and the hidden parts of affiliate marketing that probably you don't know, and why people call affiliate marketing scam. Recently, I got a call from someone in Gambia. He called me and said, "Joshua, why are you people scamming people? Why are affiliate marketers from Nigeria scamming people? Why are Africans building products and services that are scamming people?" I won't expose the name of this person because I got all of the details of this person. But there are several people right now, if you go on Twitter, who are bashing affiliate marketers, who say affiliate marketing is scam, or these people are very unserious people, or people that don't have a future. Right now in Nigeria, an average Nigerian will see an affiliate marketer as someone unserious or someone doing something that looks like scam. That's the mentality that an average Nigerian, or people who are not used to internet marketing or internet business, will perceive these people as. However, there are people who have even attempted to do affiliate marketing themselves, but because they failed at it, they also term it scam. However, my goal today is to show you what really happens behind the scene. Now, in few years ago, some individuals in the Nigerian market, internet marketing space, decided to bring in affiliate marketing actively to be domiciled in the internet marketing space in Nigeria. And the first set of people that came up built a platform, and that platform was built to help people specifically promote digital product, emphasis on digital product. That means they were expected to sell digital products across Nigerian space and then get commission off it. So this platform was launched, and they were also required to buy a program that would teach them how to do affiliate marketing for them to use the platform. Now, what does these platforms do? What these platforms do is that they get vendors who have amazing products. They vet vendors who have good products, put it on a central platform, and allow people to come in, get this product with their link, promote it, and then get paid automatically. What this platform do specifically is to become an escrow system that will check the process. As far as you are promoting, you are getting your commission instantly. Traditionally, how affiliate marketing worked before was individuals. For example, as at far back as 2019, I had digital product, of course, and the way I did my affiliate marketing for my product was my students who take the program, I will encourage them, if they enjoy the program, to share it with people, and when they share it with people, they buy the course, they also get a commission from the sale they make. But because this process cannot be followed up in a larger scale, there is no centralized platform that will have different varieties of products at the same time, allowing people to promote it simultaneously. People began to come together to build amazing platforms like this. These platforms already exist in the international market. Example is the ClickBank, another platform, of course, jvizu.com. These are platforms that works in the international market. But because of a couple of setbacks in Africa, in Nigeria specifically, most times when you promote on these platforms, you don't get to receive your payout directly to your bank account. That limitation exists, and most times the product on these platforms cannot be relatable to people in this part of the world, and it becomes a bias system. Now, individuals started building platforms. A new platform came up years back, that's before the COVID, and it emanated as a platform. Like I said, I won't be calling any platform's name. And the goal was to help people make money themselves in the industry, starting from Nigeria. And this platform was built around the idea that if you want to start, you will need to take a program that will teach you exactly how to do this business yourself. Or alternately, you have to make a payment to use the platform. The goal of all of this system was to harness and control the platform and to control the process. But ideally, because you can't control things when it blows up. Actually, even if you mean good for a particular thing, when it scales up, people will definitely abuse it. That's the world we are living in. And then we had people that came in and decided to idolize, what's the right word, for the sake of lack of words, who decided to adjust the way the system was built for their personal gains. And this is where the problem started setting in. I saw this problem ahead of time, and I knew that this would be the downtime of affiliate marketing in Nigeria and in Africa. Not really like a downtime, it will be a reason where people will come up and say affiliate marketing is scam. Because people were encouraged to buy a course before they could start off the affiliate marketing career path. But the big question is this process wrong? No, it's not wrong. Is it right? Yes, of course it's right. Because ideally, why would you want to start affiliate marketing with zero knowledge? I know there is money in the industry, but bro, sis, you need to have the knowledge. But what if in the case of someone that is already experienced, that just wants to start up the process, ideally they said, okay, you have to make a payment to unlock your account and use the service for a particular period of time. Was it good? Yes, the platform needs to be successful. The platform needs to scale. They need money and revenue to run the system. And of course, they are not running on fumes. Now, these platforms existed. Now, many other platforms was also replicated this model of affiliate marketing institutions and platforms. And then we have a lot of it right now across Africa. But most of them actually are strictly limited to a particular country. There are some that are strictly limited to Nigerians and some to a particular country. But there came another platform that wanted to defy the model, the existing system, to give people the leverage and the opportunity to start off affiliate marketing without having to pay any money to get started. And give them the option of, even if you want to learn it, okay, there is a course, a program to show you how to do it. If you want to learn from us, or even if you want to learn from some other place, it's all good. Go learn and come to this platform, create an account, and get started. Now, this system exists right now, and of course, is one of the platforms that also give room for people to use and experience affiliate marketing across multiple countries in Africa today. But like I said, I'm not going to call any name of any platform. But the ideal thing is, what is the scam behind affiliate marketing right now in Nigeria and in Africa? And I want you to come closer. Honestly, affiliate marketing is a type of marketing. Businesses use this model to sell out more of their products. People that own product use this model to sell more of their product by sharing their revenue with people who believe in their product and also market this product. In marketing, a product cannot get to everywhere you want. That means that even if I have all of the money to run advertisement to sell my product, I won't be able to reach everyone at a particular time. That means I need to multiply myself in people to sell my product across board. So vendors leverage on this model to have an army of affiliates, people they call affiliates, who would promote this product across board. Now, is affiliate marketing a scam? No, it's not a scam. Was the system abused? Yes. Affiliates came to a point where they began to insist that you must buy a course for you to make money. You must buy a course for you to make money. Why the messaging might not be 100% wrong, but the approach to it became wrong and people began to perceive it wrongly. If you go on Twitter, you see a lot of people bashing affiliate marketers. In fact, it came to a point in Nigeria, the affiliate marketers in Nigeria started insulting other professions and claiming that affiliate marketing is the only way to gain financial freedom. Is that 100% true? No, it's not. There are other professions. For example, I am an affiliate marketer myself, and I'm also a software engineer, and of course, I'm a sales funnel engineer myself. I build sales processes for businesses across board. I've done it for several years, and I've generated revenue in multi-millions for businesses, for my clients, and for myself also. So I am not 100% new. In fact, I'm not new to this industry. I've sold products myself, my own product, and I've also promoted people's products here in Nigeria and across Africa and across the world. So honestly, affiliate marketing is not the only profession to gain financial freedom. Like I said, some of these things cannot be controlled because this thing requires the attention of a lot of people for the system to run. And people abuse this thing and change the messaging down the pipeline. So if you are watching this video right now and you really want to understand why people call affiliate marketing scam, it's because people have failed to understand that affiliate marketing is just another marketing model that businesses use, vendors, product owners use to sell their products fast. And to encourage people who help them do this, they pay them a particular commission. You too can also be an affiliate marketer. Of course I am when I have time, and of course I build that funnels that run this thing for myself in automation. I have a team of amazing people that also partner with me as affiliates to promote my products across the world. Does this system pay? Yes, it pays. But what do you need to really get started as an affiliate marketer and be successful? And also, can you do affiliate marketing alongside any other business? Yes. A typical example is Joshua. I do it across other things I do for myself. I'm a content creator, of course. I do a lot of other things, but I do it simultaneously. So I leverage on the power of the internet to do this and an automation as well, because I'm an automation expert, to do this without hassle. Now, what do you need to start affiliate marketing? The first thing you need is to understand sales and marketing. There is no way you start doing affiliate marketing without understanding sales and marketing. Know how to sell a product, know how to get someone to buy it, and know how to manage customers. This will now teach you lead generation, nurturing, and closing. And amazingly, in the coming days, I'm going to take time to teach people how to do sales and marketing the right way in my YouTube channel. So you really want to subscribe right now and turn on notification. But I'm going to end this video by saying the following. Affiliate marketing is not scam. The messaging may have been changed when it came to you by the people that brought you the message. The same way the gospel of Jesus Christ is. There are people that came and falsified the gospel of Jesus, that's Christianity, and brought a wrong teaching to people. And there is falsehood in the kingdom of God right now. People where people are preaching falsehood. That's the same way for every industry, every messaging, even if in the Forex market, in the real estate market, in different industry, there is always a set of people who adjust the message down the pipeline. So even if you heard the message wrongly, but there is room for you to start on the right path. And I will be doing that actively by bringing you guys the real and the raw truth about affiliate marketing on my channel right here. And you really want to turn on your notification and subscribe so you don't miss it. But for everyone who is doubting affiliate marketing, please do well to share this video to them, let them understand this thing, and let them come to the knowledge that affiliate marketing is not scam. At the same time, there are people who have falsified the information and changed the messaging down the pipeline. And of course, we can't remove all of these people from the industry because this is a free world. Anyone wants to do what they want to do. But to get the right information and understand the truth about this, you also want to subscribe. But I'm going to end on this note. Whether the affiliate marketing platform you choose to use is paid or free, at the end of the day, what matters most is, are you successful doing it? And for you to be successful in doing it, you just have to learn sales and marketing. And if you're able to learn sales and marketing, you can as well do affiliate marketing and do every form of other internet marketing businesses on the internet right now without hassle. My name is Joshua Mba, and I am very excited that you watched this video to this point. Feel free to share your opinion and your experience about affiliate marketing in the comment section, because I will take time to do a part 2 of this video. See you in the next video.